Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do AI attractiveness test on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Vidnoz AI website, and after going there, what we have to do simply we have to create our account, and after creating our account, we need to go to this option which is called AI tools, and after going to this option, here's an option for the AI attractiveness test. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, what we have to do, we have to open this in a new window. So I'm going to cut this window, and here's the AI attractiveness test here. So we have to go to this option. Now simply what we have to do, we have to upload our photo. So which photo you want to use. So you have to choose that photo. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and we have to upload this picture. So as you can see, if you want to, what do you want to test? You can do this like the smartness, trustworthiness, and these all attractiveness, confidence funds. And now simply we have to click on the test now. And after clicking on the test now, it will analyze your picture. And after analyzing your picture, you will be able to see the result. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, this is an AI generated image. So as you can see, the result is here. Your poses are rare and breathtaking charm. So as you can see, age predictions 31 years, fun 71 years, confidence 84 level, and attractiveness 72. So in this way, you can check out your all the scores. If you want to download this, you have to click on the download. And after that, this result will be downloaded. So in this way, you can check out your attractiveness test on the AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. As you can see, here's the picture. So see you guys in the next video.